I wanted to give you this because sometimes you may not have a producer with you, or you may want to start practice to becoming a producer. I know that the Training Pros has lots of producers and they're always looking for more. And so this is something you can start to practice and get better at. Really practicing with that 15 minutes before help. I always like to make a document with all the things that I'm going to be copying into the chat. Welcome. We will be starting at 12 Eastern. The phone number to dial in is, instead of retyping that stuff over and over again, make a document for all the things you're going to say. Here's where you can download your handout. Here's the link to that activity. You know, have those things in a document so you can very quickly copy and paste them. Yeah, producer notes, exactly. And then the last one is that if you are working on your own and you don't have somebody helping you be a producer, that's when you give your audience the break. And that's when you do those breakouts so you can focus on it. You bring them back after 5-10 minutes and you let them go into their breakout and work. It works out very nicely. But there's so much you can do. There's so many things you can do to make sure that your events don't suck.